So let's just talk about sessions in Express. So sessions are basically used to store data about a user session, and we can use that to track and store user specific information even though they are making multiple requests. And this can be very useful in the event like user authentication, and also we can keep track of user preferences. So to use the session, we're gonna use the Express session package. So this is one middleware. To install that, we have to use npm install Express session. So here first of all npm install Express session. So we have done with the installation. Let's now import that package const session require Express session, and this will return this session middleware. Now let's just use the middleware. So app.use, and here we have to pass the middleware, and let's now configure the middleware. So first of all we have to pass the secret. So here we have to pass one string, and that is used to basically sign the session ID cookie, and it will ensure that the session is secure. So this is just like a password. So I'm gonna pass the string my session, and then we have to pass bunch of other options, like we have to pass resave. So this is just to specify whether to save the session if unmodified. So if we make it false, then it will prevent the session from being saved in the session store if we do not modify that. And then also we can pass save uninitialized. So if we make it true, then this saves a new session even if it has not been modified. And after that we can have the cookie. So here we can just configure the cookie, and here we can set the max age property. So we can specify the expiration of the cookie in milliseconds. So here we can pass 60,000, that means 1 minute, and we can multiply with 10, that means 10 minutes. So the validity of the cookie will be 10 minutes. And also we can pass other options like secure. So this will make sure that the cookie is only sent over the secure HTTPS connections. So let's just define different routes to set the session and to get the session. So first of all we're gonna have app.get set session. Now to set the session we have to use request.session, and we have bunch of options that we can use. So we can set the username, and we can make it Sam, and then we can just send the response session set successful. Now let's see how we can get the session. So we're gonna define the route app.get get session. So we're gonna get the username request.session.username, and then we're just gonna send the response session username print the username. So let's now start the server nodemon index. So here we're just getting the error app crashed. So we have to move this up here, and now it is working fine. So let's now open the Thunder client, and from here we're gonna create one new request. So localhost 3000/set session, and click on send. So you can see session set successful. So we have successfully set the session. Now to access the session we're gonna go to the route get session and click on send. So you can see the response session username Sam. So that means you are successfully accessing the session. So this is the way we can set the session and get the session in Express.js. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.